How to fix Gcash device is not secure. If you're encountering the Gcash device is not secure issue, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the Gcash app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Gcash, and if an update is available, click on Update to install the latest version. Make sure your Android device's operating system is up to date. Go to Settings, System, then Software Update, and check for any available updates. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Gcash. Tap on the Gcash app and then select Storage. Clear the cache and data. Restart the app and check if the issue persists. As previously mentioned, disable developer options in your phone settings. This can help improve device security, locate and disable unknown sources or untrusted sources in your device's settings, as allowing installations from unknown sources can pose security risks. Use a secure and stable internet connection. Unstable connections or public Wi-Fi might trigger security warnings. Review your device's security settings for any potential issues. Ensure that security features like screen lock, PIN, pattern, or biometrics are enabled. If the issue persists after trying these steps, contact Gcash customer support. They might provide specific troubleshooting steps or insights tailored to your situation.